Hi, I'm Rick Knockby with SSL, and I'm here at the 2026 InfoComm show. We're showing the new UMD 192 interface. So this little box gives you 192 channels at 96K of Dante, MADI, and USB 3 simultaneously. So the great application for this is for recording straight from your console or playback from a console to a computer, and you can have two of these formats bidirectional. So for example, I can go from USB to MADI, back and forth, 192 channels at 96K, and then have the Dante as a split. Or if my console is Dante, I can have Dante to USB bidirectional with the MADI split. This product is shipping now, and if you'd like more information, check us out at solidstatelogic.com. Thank you.